Hi girls, how are you today? We will be talking about postpartum skincare or post pregnancy skincare routine, which is very simple. And every mother, every new mother, every girl faces this problem. Even I had faced too, but thankfully it was not that bad because I was taking care in the very early stage. So what I'm going to tell you the benefits of this magical oil, which is my all-time favorite bio oil. You can use bio oil with any of your gel creams or any other lotions which you use. So today I'll be showing you how you can use it. Then I'll be showing you one more thing, that is the benefits of turmeric. This turmeric essential oil. Turmeric essential oil comes in this kind of packaging in a bottle with a dropper, so you have to use it with your nighttime skincare routines. You have to mix it, but first I will show you that how you can use oil with gel based day cream. So here I'm using Lotus Organics. This is super good. I must tell you that these days you are sitting inside your home but you are using air conditioners and your skin is getting so dried. Every time you're feeling that dehydrated and some sort of something is pulling out your skin. So this precious bright cream, which is of Lotus with white peony, it's perfect for your skin. So what you have to do, just take this much amount or this much, I think this much is enough, and then take it here on your palm or here like this. Just take it here, and what you have to do, why I'm telling you to use oil in summers also, because this oil has good properties of taking out your freckles and other problems like melasma, hyperpigmentation and many other things. So what you have to do, just a good one drop, that's it. So one good drop will make your skin so hydrated and so shiny, and you have to mix it with your gel creams, lotions or any cream you are using. Then apply it like this all over your face, and don't forget your under eye areas. But I would prefer that you should buy a good under eye cream as well on your forehead. And yes, do not forget your neck area, because in your late 30s you can get wrinkles and sagginess. So you have to do like this, massage it first here and then upwards. This should be your, so this is how I use my bio oil, and I love taking it to my neck area as well as jawline. Some good hand exercises you can give, some blood circulation movements you can provide to your face like this. So naturally you will get a very flushy skin, you'll get a very nice flush around your cheeks. So this is how I use my bio oil with my Lotus just a day cream, that's it. I'm not using sunscreen. People say that use sunscreen, but I think sunscreens are not very much needed in everyday life, especially if you're stepping out, then you should use it. But try to avoid as much as you can avoid chemicals, because the mothers who are in the time of lactation, they're feeding their babies, they should avoid using chemicals. But this oil, bio oil, is chemical free, and this one is completely vegan, it's herbal, it's organic, so you don't have to worry about that. So now let's talk about the essential oil. Is those who are affected with hyperpigmentation, melasma, and in Hindi we known as jhaiya around here, because hormonal changes takes place after your pregnancy. So this haldi oil will really help you, because it has got so much of thing. The properties are written over here, that pressed oil, haldi in itself is an antioxidant, and in the night if you drink haldi with milk, golden milk जिसको कहते हैं, so that will also make your skin so good, so nice. So what do this step especially during night time, because in the AC you are sleeping in an air conditioner room. So what you have to do, you have to just take this, open it, seal. I'm also using it after, and you will get a work properly because it was very much in the tip of this. Also you can see a little bit of oil is there. So what I'm doing, I'm just applying it over here. Yes, it smells bit haldi and bit अगर आपको टर्मरिक ऑयल नहीं यूज़ करना है, अगर आपकी एक्ने प्रोन स्किन है तो आप टी ट्री यूज़ कर सकते हैं. अगर आपकी और भी ज़्यादा ड्राई है तो आप विटामिन B3 या कोई और ऑयल भी यूज़ कर, विच इज़ विटामिन C एंड विटामिन B3. सो दिस ऑयल ऑल्सो गुड. यू कैन ऑल्सो मिक्स योर haldi oil into this, and you can also add tea tree into it, but never use it directly. Always use some kind of medium, like any gel moisturizer, any lotion, or any runny cream. That will really make your these kind of the creams which are good for your post pregnancy skincare, postpartum skincare, and really makes a difference. Do not forget to hydrate yourself, and in the night please take this thing. I hope with the passage of time you will really feel that your hyperpigmentation, your melasma, your freckles, or your discoloration because of the hormonal issues during pregnancy, everything will be sorted out. So thank you so much, and with this I'm signing out, and see you again with another tip for you all. Love you.